my title here. So if I want to have my title color, so here you see the A, and below that there is a color. Yeah, so this is for the font color. If you click, if you go near it, it will say font color. So here when you click this arrow mark, it's called as a drag down menu. And when you yeah, when you click on it, it will show all the colors. Then you can select which color you want for the title. For example, I'll stick with this dark blue color for the report. So now I'm deleting this top two sentences, and I want to have the title there. So now it is in dark blue color, and now I want to assign some other colors for this section heads. So I again click here and go to some green, for example. And then I give some other color for materials and methods. Right, for example, yellow, and then results I go for blue, and then for discussion I go for again blue. So this is how you change uh, the text colors, and yeah, this is how it all works. But yeah, normally they are colors or very rarely used actually to differentiate each and everything. So when it is required, you can change the colors, but I am now going to stay with the normal color of black to have the text here, and I would stay with this blue color for the title. And when we come here in the top, here you could see these are for alignments, and here you see this is for right alignment, this is for center alignment, and this is for left alignment, and this is for justified text. For example, we need a little bit more text, so I'm just writing like randomly type something here. These are not meaningful sentences though. I'll just type something. Uh, so now I have the section introduction, and then I have some text here. But when you look at the text, you can select the text and then align them. Either if you want right align, it is already right align, so align to left. So this left align. So if it is clicked like this, it's left align. Here it's justified. I want to align center, it will be aligned like this. I want to align on the other side, it will be aligned like this. So normally for writing letters, if you want to align everything on this side, for example, the address, the name of the person, everything on your right side, then this alignment will be helpful. After writing everything, you can select and align to that. And normally in report preparation, you need to justify the text. So it goes like this. When you justify it, you see that the text, so most of the time have the same breadth and the width for and the text will be adjusted to this length, and it will look nice actually. And this is all about this. And if you want to have bullet points, for example, these are 4 different sections. I want to have bullet points for each of the section headings. So if I, for example, I put the cursor here, and then if I click on the bullet, so here you see, for having the bullet, you can always click like this. Take your cursor here and then click on the bullet, and then take your cursor here and click on the bullet. And also, this is not bullet comes with several different shapes, and you can choose from several different shapes. For example, I can also go with the circles, just the circles, with the square points like this. And it is very much useful when you make a list of things, or like if you want to, if you're writing a paragraph and within that you are having a big list to um, have them have the bullet points or something like this. Or also, instead of the bullet points, you want to make a list with the numbers. The option near the bullet points is the number, so you can click on the numbers, and all the bullet points now you see everything has changed into numbers. So you can, under also other options, you can play around to have the numbers instead of the numbers. If you want to have mm, A, B, C, D as the listing, so you can also click on that. Or if you want to have, you can customize the numbering how you want it. Also in the Roman numbers you can have, or you want to have the alphabetical, but yeah, caps or small, then yeah, followed by a dot or followed by the brackets. You can choose whatever you want to have. Then yeah, your document will look like this. And then also here I want to also mention about the line breaks, line space. So for example, the space between this line and this line, you can check that actually if you click on the, if you select the paragraph, and then if you, this is the, yeah, the upper arrow mark and the down arrow mark, you can have a look. So this is one spacing, and for example I want to have a little bit more space between this title head and the section head, so I can click on this and I can define how much space I want. For example, I want like 2 space, but here you see it will also affect the next line, so I don't want to disturb that, so I will just stick with this one. So but I can select this and then I can define how much space I want actually. So if you want space after your title, you need to just select your title and then define the space that much space is given after that line. For example, I want the header, the section head to have like 1.5 space um, before the line start. So I just define it here. So now there is 1.5 space between the section header and the lines here, and between the title and introduction you see it was 2. So like this you can use the several options also. And then you can also, yeah, one of the very important thing is you can highlight if you are preparing some notes for the exams, and then if you want to highlight some of the points. For example, I want to highlight this, there is a nice option near this text color, so here you can highlight it. And then yeah, for example, in preparation of reports, if you want something to be highlighted, you can use always this. And also the highlighting color can be changed. For example, there are these bright colors where you can use several different colors to highlight things. Oh, it's a little bit dark. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Nice. With this, I would like to move on to the various um, style pen. So various styles of the text we have. So here I told that we can have different font size for title or the section header or within the paragraph, the text font. So but what we can actually do is that there are this customized text sizes here, so that we can already choose from the style pen. So for example, if I want a report to be the heading, or I mean the title of the report, and then I can click just title, and then there is this customized size which is in Calibri Light, it is 28. And then for the section head, for example, this is my heading 1. I want it to be the headings. So I'll just click on it and then it will come with the customized style of what is that? Calibri Light 16. So these are already set. So these are already Calibri styles. So if you want, if you do not want Calibri style, you can always take this and then just change to Times New Roman. And then it will be with this customized font sizes, but still with the different font styles you can get. But yeah, your report will be very nice when you use these fonts. So here you will have uniform text sizes. It is very easy to pick actually. So just you can pick and then just mention, okay, these are all headings, this is title and everything. So here the text after the titles of the a normal one, so just click normal. Then normal ones have the text size of 12, so here I just click normal. So this is a very easiest way of preparing reports. So when you want to play around with the text sizes, it is very helpful. But if you are very particular about the text uh, style, like if you want to stick with Times New Roman, yeah, after changing this, you can always change to Times New Roman. Font sizes will be according to this, and this is one of the advantages of using Word. And